Alam kong it's my time to dance on this stage dahil ito ang magdadala sa akin sa mas malalaki pang entablado na sasayawan ko.
Thank you so much, Ice! Ice?
Icy!
Such a cool name. Pero pinainit mo yung dance floor natin, ha? Actually, may mga nagsabi sa gilid. Narinig ko lang kanina.
Ice one!
Ice one, pare! With that, tanongin natin, our dance council, Coach Vimy.
Meron kang natural charisma. You're very expressive. Kailangan ko lang maging straightforward. Masyado mong ina-anticipate yung mga certain highlights. Pag may gusto ka nang gawin na parang special, nag-iiba na yung mata mo eh. Parang you're anticipating. So, it takes away from the surprise.
You showed your personality, which is great. If there's one thing I could say lang, you need to show more levels when you're dancing, like in the low, like bend your knees more. Mahaba yung mga limbs mo, you know? You can use a lot of space, like your hips can open a lot.
Big movements. Like ako, kailangan ko mag-effort kasi ang liit ko eh, di ba? Pero ikaw, parang I think dapat makita ko siya naturally. Kasi nga, magiging effortless siya sa'yo.
May mga napansin po sa akin yung mga dance councils na kailangan ko baguhin, kaba, but onti lang. Wala po regrets. Nakita po nila na ginawa ko yung best ko. Dapat walang takot, laban to laban.
Ice, it's time to know their decision.
Ice, the dance council has decided that it's time for you to step up to the next level. Congratulations!